This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by signing into Hostinger and going straight to hPanel. Make sure you have control of the exact domain name listed. Once there, open the DNS zone editor for that domain so you can edit records. If the domain appears under another account or shows transfer pending, resolve that first because DNS changes won't apply. Now that you're in the zone editor, you're ready to add the first DNS record. We'll pick the correct type and enter precise values next. You choose the record type based on purpose. A for IP addresses, CNAME for aliases, TXT for verification, and MX for mail routing. For each record, enter the host or name field exactly, USAT for root or subdomain like www, and paste the value IP or target hostname. Set TTL to your preference. Lower TTL speeds propagation, but increases DNS queries. Once values are correct, click Add or Save. Repeat this process for all records such as MX entries and any TXT verification strings. After saving, verify each record appears in the zone editor and run Hostinger's DNS checker, or use a dig/ns lookup tool to confirm published values. Keep in mind DNS propagation can take from 5 minutes to 24 hours depending on TTL and upstream caches, so be patient. If something doesn't work, emails failing or sites not resolving, go back, edit or remove the incorrect record, and resave. As a key troubleshooting tip, clear your local DNS cache and use a public resolver to confirm changes instead of relying on stale ISB cache.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.